What's up guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna try and fix this Mercedes A-Class and it had some fire damage. Yes, some fire damage and a little bit of crash damage right there. But as you can see on the hood, it took a little bit of a flame right under here. Some firework gone in, the owner said. I don't know if it's true, but you see the fender liner is already taken out. This car does run. But let me see if I can open the hood real quick. Yes. As you can see, it took a little bit of a fire. As you can see here, the battery is a little bit melted. Here it's melted. You have all some black oxidation on the paint and everything. Here it is melted a little bit. And the ABS cables right under there are totally melted. And the plug is totally gone, so we have to fix that. This car does run. Let me see if I can start it up real quick. But it has a lot of lights on the dash, as you can imagine.
Wel, dan intense benaming.
As you can see, and here it runs really shit when it's cold. That's because we probably have a couple of glow plugs that are not functioning. And if you can see, it smokes a lot. And also under here it smokes. So I think we have also a leak right there somewhere, I don't know where. But we probably do have a leak, because otherwise it wouldn't be smoking under there. But that's one thing we have to fix, those are glow plugs. We have to see if it leaks somewhere, because it smokes under the hood when you start it. We have to fix the check engine light and the ABS traction control lights. I think if you get lucky, we maybe can get all these lights off today. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so with the wheel taken off, you can see a lot of things are melted, like there. You see there. Now we have to clean this up a little bit. Something that you don't see is the ABS sensor cable, and that's because it's right there. It's totally melted, and we have to strip it back. I'm gonna show you guys. It's pretty. It's not on the right spot. There it is. As you can see, the cables are just totally bare and just. You see, it was fucked. So I'm gonna snip them off right there. Solder some new ends on it that it's longer, and then tuck it under there. And before we just finish that, we're gonna have to replace this vent right there. Because as you can see in the bottom, it's totally melted out. Wow. If you can see, this thing is burned pretty good. Now we can work on it a little bit better. This is the brake sensor. Yeah, brake detection. The brake pad sensor is also melted off. So we're gonna try to solder that back on. But now we can read the codes, and then if the codes can be erased, we know that's the correct order and it's the correct cable. So then we can extend it to around here by the wheel well, and then we can fix it. Okay, so let's get the code reader. Okay guys, so we got the wires connected again. Now we only get these volts back. So these are not from the ABS or something like that. So now we're gonna try if we start the car, if we get any faults or not. Hoppa. You see? Uppity. That's how you do it, guys. Now we don't have the ABS faults anymore. Now only have to look in that temperature sensor from the engine, and of course the preheating coils, of course, the glow plugs. Hopefully not set the car on fire again. Guys, so we also have a lot of other parts ordered, so like this hose, this one has a little hole, tank, the battery tray, a lot of stuff. But yes, because this is melted, we also have that new. We also have to order this some other time. We have a new cable, we have the glow plugs, we have everything. We have a BMW X5 M50D that we have to put a new engine in. That's on another time. That's first we have to make the workshop a little bit bigger again, because I'm really renovating this house with my girlfriend, and yeah, it's taking a lot of time. So if you could please subscribe and like, and that would really help us. Okay, so, and it would really help the channel grow, of course. Okay guys, so we have that new drain installed. As you can see, it was a little bit of a fight to install it, so I didn't film it. I took those things apart. I took a little bit of this heel shielding away because I didn't have room to fit it properly. And then I saw this. The clamp from the exhaust isn't on correctly. So that's probably because of that smoke that we get when starting the car. That smoke that we get here out of this area, not out of the exhaust. Of course, that's just the glow plugs that aren't functioning. But that smoke comes out here. I can already feel the gap. It's just not seated correctly. So let's fix that first. So I'm gonna grab another one because some really fucking idiots worked on this car. So let's grab a shorter one. Okay, so I watched the video back and I saw that there did came a little bit of smoke out of the engine still. But then we need to loosen the bolts of the catalytic converter so that it can mount more on the turbo, I think. So first we're gonna just keep on going with the rest, and then we'll do that later because it's not that important for now. Okay guys, as you can see, I mounted back this heat shield, and now it's looking a lot better. See, everything fits nicely. Everything. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It's not amazing, I know, but just temporary until we have the ABS sensor brackets and everything on there, and then we can make that look nice again, and we have the wheel well and everything. So yeah, let's clean up a little bit, put the wheel back on, and then we can start fixing that hose and the glow plugs. Okay guys, so for the glow plugs we have to take this thing off, and to take this thing off you have to take this charge pipe off. So, okay guys, so if you want to know how to take the glow plug out, you're gonna do it right now. Plug this thing off, that's the cable, that's the plus signal. And you take a extended 10mm. This is a no glow plug. That's how they look, like that. Extended 10mm. So That's one taking out. It's also Bosch. Looks like they already replaced it. I don't hope that's the case, but if that's the case, it's probably not a problem, but we will replace them anyway. So I'm gonna do all 4 now, and then I will let you know if it helped. Okay guys, so I have the glow plugs back in. Now we're gonna try to start this car, and hopefully we have no fault codes. Yes, it's gone. Perfect. Now only the engine light is on, but that's the sensor in the exhaust that we need to change. Okay, let's put the coolant tank back on it, the new one, with those new hoses and the AC line. Okay guys, so this is the old one. As you can see, got a hole straight in it. So this is the new one, second hand one, but really nice shape. Okay guys, so now we definitely transformed this car from a non-drivable car to a drivable but still a little bit burnt car. Okay, so next up we're gonna give this thing a wash, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive. So yeah, see you soon. Okay guys, so as you can see, it drives perfectly. We have no ABS faults anymore. We do have that tire warning pressure sensor left front, and the check engine light for the sensor in the catalytic converter. So yeah. Okay guys, we are gonna fix the other problems with the car next video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, and until next time, peace.